We are presenting the bad, which is the middle piece of a triple bill. It's a piece that I wanted to create without thinking. So I gave an exercise to myself to try to create. I realized I think a lot and I plan a lot and I structure and inside the triple bill that is called Barbarians, I wanted to have the idea in doing a triple bill was to be able to experiment with different energies in each piece. And for this piece, the idea was make a piece completely from the instinct, don't think, see what happens, the kind of movements that come out, the kind of structure that comes out. It's very difficult not to think. And we had a residency in Darmstadt in Germany, and we asked to use the studio in the night. I wanted to work from 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. So every night we worked 12 so we had the day off and then worked at night. And the idea was to work at night in the sense that you don't feel any kind of commitment or obligation somehow. You don't think too much. Maybe the brain waves are a bit kind of different at night. And I think a very big reason for it is Ohad Naharin, which is the choreographer that leads Batsheva Dance Company, which is the leading dance company in Israel, and he's a choreographer that has a lot to say, that has a very special movement vocabulary. This is where I grew up as a dancer, where I learned so much, and a lot of other dancers. So I think the presence of Ohad in the dance scene in Israel in the last, 30 years, made a huge difference. I hope I will come back in the future. It's a fabulous theater. I mean, it's really incredible. The auditorium itself and the stage is, to me, looks perfectly equipped, and I love automatic things. I don't trust people, so I like when everything is computerized now. But it seems like the equipment is amazing, the stage is amazing, and the venue is amazing. I love the location. So yeah, I hope I want to come and live here, So let's see about that. But no, I hope we'll be back. I really like it.